What's going on today, guys? I just wanted to thank you for tuning back in. My name's Jeremy Guldin. I hope you hit that like button. Okay, now that you did, let's move forward. So what are we going to talk about today? So I wanted to bring up another IPO video for you guys. So I've been trying to do more and more stock videos and talking about stock portfolios. I'm also going to put a link down in the description if you haven't checked it out yet. But go down to the description area. I'm going to put a link for a Facebook group. I'm going to start a Facebook group on some of the different stocks that I'm going to be starting to trade and some of the different things. And like I said, I'm not a stock investor or I shouldn't say stock investor, a financial advisor. I apologize. I'm not a financial advisor. So it's not necessarily going to be things that I'm telling you need to buy, but I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm putting money into and some of the investments that I'm doing. Also, I want to use this group as a place that we can go to feed off of each other, just like Discord and stuff like that. Maybe down the road, I'll put a Patreon together. But I'm a firm believer right now in trying to just grow the group and not, charging you guys any kind of money to do that. So gonna go ahead and, like I said, put a link down below for Facebook, and we'll start that Facebook group and kind of go from there. But today, anyways, let's jump into this instead of talking about that. What do we want to talk about today? Today, we're going to talk about Coinbase. I don't know if you guys know what that company is. If you do, great. If you don't, let's talk about it a little bit. So Coinbase is a cryptocurrency. I almost said Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency platform, just like Robinhood or Webull or any of those. And I'll put a link down below what Coinbase is and where you can go to. And you put $100 in, you can get $10 free Bitcoin. So it's not too bad of a deal if you're not currently trading in the cryptocurrency platform. So it's another place. And one of the cool things about Coinbase, and I'll put actually a photo share here up with you. I have very minimal in there right now. I do a lot of my cryptocurrency trading on Robinhood, I'll be honest. But I do actually have Coinbase. A friend referred me, so I threw $100 in. And then there's a couple courses that you can take and you actually get free cryptocurrency. So, why not take a couple little course videos and kind of make some money, even though it's not a lot. I think on my screen shares, you'll see I have right around $100 in mine. And that was because the market's gone up and the market's come down. So I had a little bit more than that. But then when Bitcoin dropped, I had a couple, I don't even remember how much I have in there. I have like $40 or $50 into Bitcoin in that section. I have actually most of my stuff over on Robinhood. But so when that dropped down, I went down below the $100 mark that I had invested, but it might even be up over that now today. Like I said, I haven't checked it out, but I will put a link in it. So what are we talking about? Coinbase itself. Coinbase has filed for their IPO today. So today is February 25th, 2021, and Coinbase has filed for IPO so that they're going to be starting to be a public traded company. Back in February 17th, 2021, they came in being valued at around $77 billion. So that just shows you what kind of portfolio they have or what kind of group they manage. So they've been valued at around $77 billion. So this is very new. Like I said, they just did an initial filing today. Their stock ticker, their IPO date that they're going to actually go live with their IPO. None of that information has been released yet. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up and kind of get you familiar with the platform. If you're not currently utilizing Coinbase, it might be something you check out, give it a shot, see what you think. I think it is very easy, very user-friendly. To me, it's very similar to Robinhood. So if you've used Robinhood, I kind of, say it's close to that similar platform. It's very like Apple related in the sense of very easy, user-friendly, not difficult to use. So, with that being said, it's a great platform if you're getting into cryptocurrency. If you want to throw a couple bucks here and there into it, obviously with the market and the volatility that we have right now, things can go up, things can go down. Bitcoin itself and Ethereum and some of those other cryptocurrencies, they go up and down just like stocks do, but I think there's more volatile in especially Bitcoin right now. I mean, Bitcoin, I haven't checked it right now while we're doing this video, but Bitcoin earlier this week, I think it tanked like 10 grand and then went back up like 4 or 5 grand. So you can see how quickly things can change drastically in the cryptocurrency realm. Do I think cryptocurrency is, going to stick around? Definitely. I don't see it going anywhere. I think more and more as people are backing it. Is it going to take time? Yes, just like anything. Everyone's not going to jump on board like that, So I definitely think Coinbase will be a company to check out because, like I said, cryptocurrency. And if you're someone that's big into crypto, and the cool thing about Coinbase is you can start out with that $100 filing, and then you can go from there. You don't have to like dump a bunch of money in. You want to do $30 here, $40 here, $50 here, whatever you want to do. And then you can actually, like I said, use it on your phone. There's an app. You can go into the computer as well, but there's an app for your phone, just like Robinhood or any other investment platform right now. But the cool thing, like I said, it is geared or focused directly towards cryptocurrency. So I just wanted to kind of give you an idea. I wasn't sure if you knew about it or if you've heard, but like I said, Coinbase has filed for their IPO today, and they are going to be going live on the U.S. Stock Exchange at some point. As things become more updated, I'll go ahead and give you guys IPO release dates when they're going to be releasing that IPO, and if it's something that I think we should buy into. So, like I said, very new. I mean, this is only a couple hours ago that this knowledge was released. That they've put in their filing. So we're all getting information as we go. So thanks again for tuning in. I hope this video helped you out with gaining more knowledge. And like I said, check out Coinbase. If you don't mind, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're going to continue. And also, like I said, don't forget about that Facebook group. And like I said, this is going to be a group geared towards giving each other information. This isn't going to be a one-way street of me saying, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. This is going to be a group that we can get together and be like, hey, we see this stock's going to be great. This is definitely for retail investors, that we're going to be in there to kind of help each other out, to feed off of each other. And what's going to set my platform aside? I'm not just geared towards stocks. So if somebody's an entrepreneur or business, somebody starting out with a business, this is just another platform that you can utilize. So if you're making money with your business, are you reinvesting in yourself? Did you know that out of that 100% that you take in from your business, 40% goes to Uncle Sam? So you better sure as well in the hell pay yourself 40%, right? 40% should go back towards you, or what I mean as you is the business. And 20% you should live off of, right? So that 40% you're putting back into the business, you can easily reinvest some of that into an IRA, something like that you are not going to be getting taxed on that money you're putting aside down the road for retirement. So that's a big thing, making sure that you're holding on to some of that money that you're making. So like I said, this is just going to be a overall financial, or I shouldn't say financial advice, but guidance on where we can go to continue to hold on to our money, make money, and continue for growth. Because ultimately, you want to make sure that you're making some returns on that money, and that money is working for you. You're not actually always trading time for money, okay? So thanks again for tuning back in. Like I said, not a financial advisor, but this is just some of the things that I'm doing, and I appreciate you guys for tuning back in. And thanks again, and we'll see you